Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here. As promised, I'm going to do a swatch video of these gorgeous dust powders from Tia's Beauty. If you've not watched the haul, then please go and do so, that's if you like watching them. But to begin with, I'm just going to actually attach this to a base coat, so rather than me yabbering, I'm just going to test it first. I've actually got a broken tip, so I'm just going to try it on this first to see if it actually will just cover and show the colour, just because I want these for my swatch sticks anyway, and hopefully I don't need to put a polish underneath. So all I put on here is a base coat in the hope that it's going to just coat this, and if it does, I'm just going to do all my swatches like that. And then obviously if you do put other colours underneath, it may change the colour, but as I want these for my swatch sticks for my clients, then that's what I want. And as I suspected, the colour is that strong, it does cover the whole swatch stick, and just look at that glimmer. I had this on in the rose for a few weeks, and the amount of compliments I got on just the effect. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm just going to do exactly what I've just done. I'm just going to base coat the top layer, put the colour on, and then I'm going to top coat them, and then I shall show you the swatches, so you don't have to watch and listen to me bore you to death.